It's not a big movement. It's not up here. And as you do that, you're slowly starting to come back and your fingers are pointing to the ceiling. And then you come back around. So there's a nice wrist movement that's happening with this. Okay. So that's the motion we're going to do with this one. So sinking into the right foot, left heel turns out, step forward. Hands have come up to this place just in front of your chest. So you're kind of just at that place where you're going to be coming down and around, just in a gentle positioning right here. Not too close to yourself, just about there. And then as you come down, you can see my fingers are pointing more down toward the floor. And then as I finish, like as I'm at this part, I'm fully forward. As I come back, my hands are going to come back up. And so this is my starting point, right? So diagonally across is, when I'm fully forward, is about here as a diagonal across that drum. And then we start going up and back as I come back like that. So let's give that a try. Once again, 9 times, coming from our resting position, sinking into the right foot, left heel turns out, stepping forward, hands come up, and then forward, finding that engagement through your hands. And just slowly starting to go back and forth. And once you get that feel of your hands, then you can really come back down and focus on this very important stuff of how are you doing the rolling back and forth across your feet, so that you really get a sense of how your feet are connecting to the ground and supporting this, fully on the back foot, fully on the front foot. And how the connection into your pelvis, rotating back and forth, in the end becomes a focus of the movement coming from here in that Dantian area just below the belly button, that this is the center of your movement. And just going back and forth. And we'll do this 2 more times. One more time around. And then as I come back, quite simply, I just kind of am staying somewhere up here, foot comes in, and then as I come to my resting position, I come down. And then the second time. So the second side is dropping into your left. You see how I kind of sink a little bit, really take up the weight of that foot, so that then as my foot comes up and I step forward, then I have a really nice support with that back foot as I come forward into the bass drum. So you're probably starting to get a feel for how you can drop into this. It's just a nice, gentle movement. And if ever your mind starts to wander, you just come back and start with your feet and look at your pelvis and just feel the engagement through your hands. I'm going to come around one more time. And stepping back.